Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Of the Sierra, Truck Trend explains, the Vortec 4800 winds through the power band quickly, setting up the transmission for a precise shift. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.